Hi guys, today we're gonna drawing Huggy Wuggy with a simple pencil. First, we start drawing this shape. Is like a triangle, like a D. Okay, that line's gonna help us to add the element of the face, like the mouth and the eyes. For the torso, it's just a oval. Okay, let's draw in the eyes. It's two circles. Let's draw in a huge mouse. Look a little crazy that drawing. Huggy Wuggy is a little scary. Okay, let's continue with the arms. If you pay attention, I'm just using simple shapes. Now it's time to draw in this ribbon and the other arm. That's perfect. Now let's add some details. By the way guys, I'm using Fiverr. Like you know, Fiverr is a company that you like a free worker, freelancer can offer your service to another person. In my case, I'm drawing in a digital way. For more information, go to the first comment and don't forget to go to the description. In the description there are all the materials that I use in my video. And here we have the final result of our drawing of Huggy Wuggy. That look fantastic. I really like it. If you already watched that video, go to this video that is about Huggy Wuggy drawing but with color. So let's go.